We're going to talk about using your checking account to make withdrawals. Withdrawing money from your checking account means you are taking money out of your account. There are several ways to withdraw money. You can write a check for your bills or purchases. You could use your debit card for purchases. You could use your debit card to get cash at ATMs, or you could use online bill pay. Let's take a look at a check. First thing we have is our personal information. The check holder's name and address, which may include a phone number, but is not required. Next, we have the check number. These are numbers used to identify checks. The check number is printed in chronological order and should be used in this order. We also have identification numbers. The first set of numbers is the routing number, which identifies the account's financial institution. The second is the account number, and the third is your check number. So let's write a check. Make sure you write legibly and use a black or blue ink pen. The first step to writing a check is to enter the date in the blank in the upper right corner. Include the month, the date, and the year. You can write out the date, or you could just use the numbers. So today is January 14th, 2014. Next, we are going to fill out the pay to the order of blank. This is where you enter the name of the payee, or the check's recipient. So let's say I am making a check out to myself. Our third step is to write the amount of the check in numerals. So this is the amount of the check written numerically. You want to keep the numbers close to the dollar sign so that the others cannot write in any additional numbers. So let's say our check is for $100. The next line is used to confirm the amount of the check, just in case your handwriting is hard to read in the dollar sign blank. In clear handwriting, you want to write out the amount using words and fractions. So you're going to write the dollar amount, then add "and," followed by the cents amount written as a fraction. You're going to put the cents in the numerator's position and 100 in the denominator's position. So for instance, we have 100 and 00 over 100. If you have any room left, draw a line to the end so that no one could add anything to your check. The memo line is in the lower left-hand corner, and it's a reminder line. So you can write jeans on this line, for example. So if I had gone to the store and I had to pay for jeans, I could put jeans there. Also, if this was for your rent check, you might want to put rent. The signature line is the line in the lower right corner of the check, and this is where you write, not print, your name. It must be in cursive. Now you know how to write a check. Don't forget to bring your notes to class.